Good morning guys. So, kakagising ko lang. And then, sabi ni Happy, dadalhin daw namin yung mga aso sa Mount Charleston. Yeah guys, gusto ni Happy na pumunta kami ngayon sa Mount Charleston. Actually, nagmamadali na nga ako kasi late naman niya sabihin na gusto niya pumunta ngayon ng Mount Charleston. Hindi naman niya sinabi last night. So, sa Mount Charleston kasi guys, doon yung nagre-retain yung snow. Doon yung malapit sa amin na may snow. So, every year pumupunta kami doon para ma-experience yung snow during winter. But this time, it's different kasi yung kasama namin yung mga aso namin, and this is the first time na winter nila dito sa US. So that's gonna be an exciting because we wanna see their experience or how they gonna like it, the snow. So hopefully they will, because someday or eventually we wanna go adventure in some snow places or area here in the US. And then also we wanna see yung van namin, how is it after yung mga weights yung bigat or yung timbang na nilagay namin sa van. Kasi guys, naglagay kami doon ng sink, ng countertops, ng bathroom, bed, sofa, ganyan. So we wanna know kung how's the van doing, kung kaya ba niya. Actually, yung van naman is like, I think yung capacity niya is 4,000 pounds, yung bigat na kaya niya. And I think we were only around 1,200 pounds, I think. So, okay naman siya. But, of course, mas maganda yung sigurado. And actually, paakyat kasi yun. Kasi papunta nga sa mountain. So, we wanna know kung kaya ba ng van namin. Kasi it's gonna be our home. Home for adventure like that. So, yeah. And sige guys, we'll see you on the road, or we'll see you guys there. And yeah, see you there guys. Ako isang beses siya ng sister-in-law ko. Sobrang ganda sa taas. Ishki, how do you like to play in the snow? You like it? Chuck, Chuck, Chuck. You like to play in the snow? I guess, yeah. You're not cold. Hey, Fatso. Look at people. She keep running and running there. Hala, sige. Look at you. You like to play in the snow? So guys, nakarating na kami sa Mount Charleston at wala pa masyadong snow. Hindi pa masyadong makapal yung snow. But we're so happy na yung mga aso namin, they like to play on the snow. Ayun, takbo sila ng takbo. Ayun sila. Ashki! Look at you! You like to play in the snow? Okay, let's go up. Look at Peebles. Peebles! Mukhang enjoy na enjoy ka sa snow ah! You keep running and running as Peebles. There's Chuck Chuck. Peebles. Yeah. Piggy Peebles. Chuck, you stuck? Look at Peebles, ang layo-layo na niya. Peebles, come back! Shh!
Layo na niya.
I know! She will come back.
I think Chuck is getting tired.
Look at Peebles.
He's not gonna go to the road, right?
Hopefully not.
I don't think she can climb up there.
She can. Don't underestimate my dog. They can. She can.
Let's see if she's coming back.
Okay, we'll wait. She's coming back already.
She
Oh,
wants to go farther out.
no, she's coming back. She will come back. There you go. What? He just sit there? Ashki! She's coming back. There she is. See, they're very happy when you don't wear them a leash.
Yeah.
Chuck, come back.
Feel cold now?
Ashki, how are you? You're not cold yet? Huh, Ashki? You're not cold yet? My dogs mean so much to me. They are not just a pet, but they are my fur babies. Kaya naman guys, nung pumunta ako dito sa US, pinilit ko rin talaga silang makuha para makasama ko rin din sila. Kasi guys, mas nauna akong pumunta dito sa US bago sila. And nung hindi ko pa sila kasama, sobrang lungkot. And I'm sure triple din yung nararamdaman nilang lungkot pag nawalay tayo mga amo sa kanila. And I'm so grateful now na kahit pati si Habi napamahal na rin siya sa mga aso namin. And in fact, gustong-gusto na niya sila. And I'm so thankful and I'm so blessed for having a family like this. Ashki. There's Ashki. Yeah, nag-enjoy sila sa first time nila sa snow. Nakakatuwa na gusto nila. Mas enjoy sana kung medyo mas makapal na yung snow, kaso hindi pa masyado makapal yung snow. So dito kasi sa Las Vegas, ito lang yung malapit na area na may snow. Yeah, pagka winter malamig sa place namin, pero is not cold enough yet para magkaroon ng snow, kasi kailangan between 30 to 35 kailangan yung temperature para magkaroon ng snow. So on this higher elevation nagkakaroon ng snow. Sa place namin kasi pag during the day it's around 40 to 50, so nagme-melt yung ice, pero pag gabi nagkakaroon ng ice. Ha, Koryo, halika na, Chak. Chak, halika na, Chak. Time for our breakfast, Chak. Ashki, look at you, Ashki. Look at you, Ashki. Look at you, Ash. Phoebus, come here. Yes. Look at you. Shame, shame. Chak, chak. Pinuhat ka na ni Daddy, chak, chak. Tingnan mo si Ashki. Kung sino pa yung matanda tsaka maliit. She run and run. Ikaw, chak, chak. Buhat-buhat. Kailangan buhat-buhat. There's our camper van, and that's the view. Yeah, that's a part of Mount Charleston. We just rest for a while. And yeah, that's the view. We're about to go home, and then we need to rest our van. Finally guys, we're back at home, and kasama ko si Ashki. We were in our backyard, and we want to say thank you for watching our vlog. Hope you guys enjoy watching our vlog for today, and we'll see you soon on our next vlog. Okay, Ashki, say bye.